How to set Bluetooth music share to contacts only or everyone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on connections. After that, tap on Bluetooth, so tap on the left hand side. Then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on advanced settings. Now go down and tap on music share. Then scroll down and tap on share devices with. From the pop-up, you can choose to share your Bluetooth music with contacts only or everyone. So select one of the options. Below that is the ask for permission to connect. So in here, you can set it to every time or don't ask. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.